You think you have a license to speak all kinds of vulgarity. The sharp rebuke from the Supreme Court was directed at YouTuber and podcaster Ranveer Alabadia, popularly known as Beer Biceps. The Supreme Court, while granting him protection from arrest, did not mince words about the nature of his comments, labeling them disgusting, filthy, and insulting. The court's stern words accompanied an order granting Ranveer interim protection from arrest, with a significant caveat. He and his associates are barred from airing any shows on YouTube or other platforms until further notice. But what led to this legal and moral crossroads? The controversy ignited during Ranveer's appearance on YouTube show India's Got Latent, hosted by comedian Samay Raina. During the episode, Ranveer made remarks that many found offensive, leading to multiple FIRs in Maharashtra, Assam, and Jaipur. Justice Suryakant questioned Ranveer Alabadia's sense of entitlement, asking, "You think you've got a license to speak all kinds of vulgarity, and you can exhibit your depraved mind anywhere and anytime." The court's order also stipulated that no new FIRs should be registered against Ranveer Alabadia based on the same remarks. However, he is required to cooperate fully with the ongoing investigation, surrender his passport to the Thane police, and is prohibited from leaving the country without prior permission. This incident brings to the forefront the delicate balance between freedom of speech and societal norms. While the digital age offers a platform for diverse voices, it doesn't grant carte blanche to disregard community standards. The Supreme Court's ruling serves as a stark reminder that with great influence comes great responsibility. In the end, it's not just about what we say, but how our words resonate within the fabric of society. As content creators navigate the vast digital landscape, they must tread carefully, ensuring that their quest for engagement doesn't trample on the values and sensibilities of the community they address. For more insights on this case, keep watching Famous TV. This is Leena Lal signing off.